Have you ever wondered what makes something go viral? What makes someone click that share button? Or maybe you want to know how to make your content go viral. According to marketing and by default psychology expert Jonah Berger, one of the main contributing factors to making something go viral is social currency. Social currency relates to the value that your content piece has, especially in relation to people sharing it with their peers. People are more likely to share something that makes them look a certain way, that makes them look good. For example, if it makes them look smarter, or if it makes them seem like they are part of an exclusive club. A prime example of that right now is the new Clubhouse app. This is an exclusive app. It's invite only, it's iPhone only, so little old me on an Android can't use it yet. I'm not upset or anything, because at least my phone doesn't break every 2 seconds. But they are using the power of social currency. They are making people talk about their app and share their app, even if it's just to get an invite. If you're already on Clubhouse, drop a comment below. Let me know how you actually found out about it in the first place. The next contributing factor to making content go viral is, of course, emotions. These could be positive emotions like awe, excitement, amusement, contentment, or negative emotions like fear, anger, and sadness. When people feel these emotions, they are more likely to share the content that triggered those emotions. And if you can trigger a combination of both positive and negative emotions, then you have hit the jackpot. One of the main emotions that you want to try and trigger is awe or surprise. This brings us on to the point of novelty. Researchers at UCL found that the area of your brain that is responsible for releasing dopamine, the happy chemical, is activated by novelty. When someone discovers, sees, or learns something new and original, more dopamine is released, which in turn makes that person feel happier. If we then link this back to the concept of social currency, a piece of content that makes someone feel happy will therefore have a higher social currency. That person is more likely to share the content because they also want their peers, their family, and their friends to feel the same way. Sometimes it seems like it's impossible to be original and create novelty in your content. I talked about the idea of being original in another video, linked in the card above or description box below. But if you can create content that is original in some way, has a high value of social currency, and triggers a combination of emotions, then you have more chance of your content going viral. If you like this video and want to help me make it go viral, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it somewhere on the interwebs, and also leave a comment below letting me know what you think about the ideas discussed here today. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to click subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!